In this video, I want to show you how to replace the grille bracket, that's this one, that supports the grille that sits on the hood on this Ford F-150. Let's get started. Right at the top here, there's a 10mm bolt that goes through the hood and into this bracket. You can get it with a wrench, preferably a ratcheting wrench. It'll make things a lot easier if you have one. And it'll have space to come out the top. Just make sure you don't get your wrench stuck in there. If you don't have a tool that'll fit like this one, unfortunately, you're gonna have to take the grille out to remove this bolt. Try to unthread it as much as you can. At this point, I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Let's unbolt the rest of the bolts and I'll show you why. 3 10mm bolts at the top here, remove all 3. Okay, this bracket moves around now. That's perfect. Since we're here, let's finish removing this bolt at the top. There we go. This bolt can stay in here, ready for the new bracket. Hold the bracket. Another 10mm bolt at the bottom. Take it out, and there's the bracket. Take the new bracket, put this bolt through it, start it on to where it mounts, but don't tighten it fully yet because we need to move this around. As you can see, it's adjustable. The only way to adjust it properly is to wait until all other bolts and hardware is securely fastened so that you can actually find its position here. Now let's get this top bolt started, the one that goes through the hood. It's easiest to do it now because it's pressed up against the hood. It's lower, so you can get your tool in here a little bit easier. I'm going to thread it in as much as I can, and then we'll put the other 3 in. All right, I got it close, but it's not in yet. I still need this to move around so we can line up the other 3. Now line up the bracket and put in the 3 bolts that go over here, starting by hand so they don't cross thread. Once you get one in, you should be able to line up the other ones. And now let's tighten these up. Last one. Let's finish tightening up this one on the bottom. Finish tightening up the one on the top. Get that nice and snug. Perfect. And there you have it. If you need to replace the bracket on the other side, do the same exact thing.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.